Welcome to this video presentation, How to Avoid Getting Burned in the Markets by FFR Trading. In this series, we'll equip you with practical trading and investing knowledge while helping you to avoid the many pitfalls and mistakes many traders and investors make. In this final video, we'll leave you with some words of wisdom. But first, let me introduce you to who we are here at FFR Trading and what our role is. FFR Trading is a due diligence firm for various investment and trading services. We've worked with dozens of traders in all markets, including stocks, options, futures, and Forex. In a nutshell, we've uncovered the mistakes so many people make when considering trading or investing strategies. Our goal is to find solid investment and trading opportunities that we can pass along to you. We hope that this video can help you to avoid some of the same pitfalls many investors fall into and help provide a primer on the markets, though not a comprehensive thesis on the subject. For advanced education on the markets, we'll discuss the unlimited literature available on specific topics. Chapter 15. Words of Wisdom. It's no secret that Warren Buffett knows his way around the financial business and has a lot of wisdom to offer both new and seasoned investors. Here are 3 things to remember. I think the biggest mistake is not learning the habits of saving properly early because saving is a habit. Buffett said this during a 2007 address at the University of Florida, and it's important to keep in mind when playing the markets. You want to make sure you're not investing your last dollar in case you end up losing some money. Saving enables you to invest. Number 2, invest in as much of yourself as you can. You are your own biggest asset by far. It's important to remember that investments aren't only made with money. They're also made with time, your time. If you find that the return you're receiving isn't worth your time, then invest yourself and look for other opportunities. This could mean hiring a broker or taking the time to learn on your own. The fact that you read this book is a good indicator that you're on the right track. And number 3, risk comes from not knowing what you're doing. Along with investing in yourself comes the ability and desire to learn. The markets change daily, so it's important to stay up to date about what's going on. If you're clueless and you make a financial decision, you've created unnecessary risk. If you don't know how to do something, ask. There are thousands of people out there who make a living for themselves and others off the markets. They can help you with the tough choices. In conclusion, know that there is still money to be made in the markets. Take it slow. Find strategies that match your unique personality. If possible, work with a trading team or at least one other person. They'll be able to see your blind spots when you can't. Above all, don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. At the end of the day, it's only money. Your family, friends, and your health matter most. Aim for a balanced life. If you aren't getting some enjoyment out of trading or investing, then chances are you might be in the wrong profession. Well, thanks for joining us for this webinar series. We hope this video has helped you on your journey to success in the markets. If you would like to obtain your own copy of our book, How to Avoid Getting Burned in the Markets, email us at support@ffrtrading.com.